gorgeous Lemoore Naval Air Station in the Central Valley of California. And here to provide the narration is a gentleman that flies an FA-18, so he can talk about the FA-18. Fort Worth and Alliance, please make welcome Lieutenant Jason Bobble Tremeth.
Thanks, Danny. Appreciate it. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lieutenant Jason, callsign Bobble Tremeth. On behalf of the United States Navy Naval Air Station Lemoore, Commander Strike Fighter Wing Pacific, and the Commanding Officer Strike Fighter Squadron 122, we are proud to present the FA-18 Super Hornet flight demonstration. Intended to replace the venerable F-14 Tomcat and aging Legacy Hornets, the Boeing-built F-A-18 Super Hornet is the Navy's newest frontline tactical aircraft. Known to us as the Rhino, the Super Hornet builds on a combat-proven design of the original Hornet with improvements such as a 30% larger surface area, larger payload, longer range, and increased lethality. The aircraft for you today is the F model, which incorporates a two-seat cockpit, with two aviators aboard working together as a team in all phases of flight to accomplish the assigned tactical mission. In today's demonstration, Lieutenant Jakovich, callsign Lobster from Cambridge, Minnesota, and Weapons System Officer Lieutenant Weddle, callsign Skinny Jeans from Fairmont, Minnesota, will demonstrate the incredible flight characteristics of the Super Hornet. Both aircrew have extensive combat experience and have flown numerous sorties in support of Operation Enduring Freedom and other combat operations around the globe. During the flight, the pair will experience G-force extremes from -3 up to 8 times the normal force of gravity as they maneuver the Rhino through the edge of its operating envelope. Today's show performed at speeds as fast as 700 miles an hour and as slow as 100 miles an hour. Many of the maneuvers you see here today are ones actually used in the tactical arena and are employed during combat and training flights. Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to the right, where in a moment you will hear the Rhino's two GEF-414 turbofan engines spool up to max power. After a brief systems check, Lobster's gauges will release the brakes, allowing the engine's 44,000 pounds of thrust to accumulate to 120 knots. On takeoff, the aircrew will perform a low transition, raise in the gear, and accelerate at 400 miles an hour to give you a close-up look at the power of the Rhino just 50 feet above the ground.